Hey, it's Nina with Worship Piano Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to play the song Purify My Heart. I think the classics are definitely coming back, and it's so nice to just, end off a worship session with this beautiful classic. All right, so I'm going to start out with the D chord, and the introduction that I kind of came up with looks like this. It's just a regular playthrough of the verse. So So really simple. I just kind of play through one section of the verse and then I start singing right away. And the way that I did that is this song, first of all, is in the key of D. So these are your recipe notes. If you choose to improvise, these are the notes that you're going to play. There's two black keys in this key, in the key of D, and you will never press this this note, because it's gonna make it sound awful. So, and same with this. Don't ever press on C, because it just sounds so off, and it's not in this key. So, so my first chord is that D, and I'm gonna start out with some of the notes. So that's F sharp, A, E, while playing the D chord. So when I went to the E here, I can play either A or a C sharp. So I'm gonna hit the F sharp again, and I'm gonna go to this D. When I hit that D, I'm going to be playing the B chord, B minor. Again, flowing with that melody. With the E minor chord. So far we have. And then we have this G note here and an E minor with the left hand. And then as we move on to the A chord, we do this melody. So you can play it with a chord, like an A suspended, or you can just do the notes. Play it through one more time. Again, you can play the A chord here or the C. So and then as you move into the verse, you just kind of play these chords through. So nothing special. You could keep playing the melody if you'd like. Otherwise, it's just the vocalist singing the verse. So we're going to start out with a D, and then we have a A/C chord. It looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? It's when you play A with your right hand and C sharp with your left hand. And then you have a B minor. And I like to add some flowy style to the classical songs. It just makes them sound so beautiful and classy. And then we have an E minor. Now, instead of playing E minor like this, there's a really high note in there. Sometimes I don't want that. So instead of playing this high note here, I'm playing it down here. It's the same note, just playing a little bit lower. And then we have your A. So I'm going to play that through. Purify my heart, let it be as gold and precious silver. Purify my heart, let it be as gold, pure gold. Now I did D over A and then switch to just A. I play my D chord, instead of playing it like this, sometimes I play this higher note down here. Pure gold. That's how I did that section. And then going into the refrain, which is the D. Refiner's fire, my heart's one desire. So the chords for that are kind of a little different. So we have a D chord. Now again, I'm playing my D chord as an inverted chord. So instead of playing this high note up here, the A, I'm playing it down here. And I'm adding a little more of that flowy style. And if you want to get your hands used to this flowy motion and how to apply it to any song, I do have a flowy style mini course. I'll link it in this video. So you have that D and then the G. Fire's fire. And then the A chord. Again, D, G, A. My heart's one desire. So you saw me play the G inverted chord as well. So instead of playing G like this, I played this G chord up here. So as you can tell, the inverted chords are so amazing because I barely have to move my hand. So here I'm playing the D, here I'm playing the G, and here I'm playing the A. So you really could play with your eyes closed because these chords are just so close together. So D, re, G, fire's fire, A, and again D, G, A. My heart's one desire is to be, and straight to A, holy, back to D, set apart for you, Lord. So see, the chords kind of change. D, set apart, G, for you, D, over A, and then A, Lord. And then the second part of that refrain is, I choose to be holy, set apart for you, my master, ready to do your will. Now you can end that off with a D right away. Ready to do your will. Or you can end it off with a G, will. Kind of to leave people hanging and then switch to that D. Either way sounds great. And then you go into verse 2, so very similar. Purify my heart, cleanse me from within, and make me holy. Purify my heart, cleanse me from my sin, deep within, refiner's fire. Alright, and that's basically the entire song. I hope you enjoy playing it, and if you need support in your piano ministry, like what to play in empty moments like this, and how to add music while someone is speaking or while someone is praying, go to pianoministrycourse.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!